So a common type of call we get in mid-season, midsummer when it's hot, even outside of mid-season, spring and fall, we still get these, but it's mostly when the weather outside is hot and we're having days into 80 and 90 degrees and even 100. You see dry spots in the lawn, and we get a call that says something like, hey, I don't know what's going on with my lawn. I have something wrong. Maybe something was spilt on the lawn. I don't know. And I wanted to explain what this is. This is actually a lack of water. And a lot of times when we talk to folks, they say, you know, John, I have my water on every third day, like you said, or every day, and I'm watering like crazy. But if you listen, the lawn speaks to you. And what it's saying right here is that I'm dry and I need more water. So you may have your sprinkler system on enough, but it's not getting this particular area well. Because you can see over here it's nice and green, and over here it's dry. So what I recommend you do is, to prove this point to yourself, is go in the house and get a couple of Tupperware bowls, tuna cans, whatever you may have, and go ahead and set one of them right here in this dry area. And then set another one in a green area over here, let's say. So I got one in the green area, I got one in the dry area over there. And now I'm gonna go run the sprinkler system for whatever it's set, 10 or 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and see how much water is in each container. And I'm going to guess, and we'll see if I'm right, that this container here where it's green has a lot more water in it than this one does over here where it's dry. And that will prove the point that it's an irrigation problem, not a lawn problem. So let's go ahead and run the sprinkler system. I'm gonna go ahead and set that zone to run for a cycle here. So let's go to manual, go to zone 3. It looks like it's set for 12 minutes. And we're gonna go run that now and see how much water we collect in each bucket, or each plastic Tupperware piece. We have the sprinkler system on, and now we're going to collect water in each of our Tupperware pieces. Okay, I just let the sprinkler system run and finish the test. And here's the container that was in the green area. And here's the container that was in the dry area. So let's go ahead and see how much water was in each. So this is how much water was in the area with the green lawn. And this is how much water was in the area with the dry lawn. Boy, barely a quarter of an inch to got a good 3.5 to 4 inches there. So you can see the difference. So this is a great test to show you if a lawn is needing more water in a particular area. A lot of times we go out and we talk to customers and say, hey, it's just a little dry. And again, they say, but John, you know, I'm watering so much. But that doesn't mean that dry area is getting the water it needs. So this is a great test to prove the point. So if you get a chance, it takes about 15-20 minutes to perform the test. Do it, and then you can get the sprinkler system adjusted correctly. This particular customer has a sprinkler gentleman coming over tomorrow, actually, to look at the system. And what I found when I'm here, I think she's got a leak, because look at down here. This is all soppy and wet. And so I think she's got a leak in her sprinkler system, and that's causing the system not to pressurize correctly and spray all these areas that are needed. I hope that's helpful, and I hope you'll take some time and do that test when you get a chance. Thanks so much, and have a fantastic day.